Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today we will learn about the lesson tanween. Tanween means two fatha, two kasra or two zamma, and the other name of tanween dui zabar, dui zaid, dui pesh in Urdu, Hindi and Bengali, and in the Arabic fathataini, kasrataini and dhammataini. So these are the name of the tanween. Tanween mean two time short vowels on the alphabet which sound like noon with sukoon. Okay, so let's start. So to fatha sound an and to kasra sound in and to zamma sound un. For example, and one more thing, after the tanween of fathataini, if alif or ya are written, then do not read those alif or ya during the spelling after tanween or zabar. If alif or ya are written, then do not read those alif or ya during the spelling. For example, meme to fatha, you can say fathataini or dui zabar man. So the spelling of the meme meem. So we pick up the first letter M, and the sound of fathataini or dui zabar or two fatha is an. So man, man, mim, two fatha, man, and the sound of two kasra or dui ze in. So min, min, and the sound of two zamma un. So mun, mun, man, min, mun. Next letter is the ba. So the spelling of the ba baa, and the sound of two fatha is an. So we will pick the first letter of the alphabet is b. So ban, ba two fatha, ban, ba two fatha, ban, ba two kasra, bin, bin, and ba to zamma, bun, ban, bin, bun. And if the after the tanween six letters of throat come, so then we will not do gunna. Gunna mean hiding the voice of the noon or meme in the nose for a while. Okay. So for example, ba to kasra, ba to fatha, ban. So I am hiding the voice of noon in my nose for a while. Ban. So I already made a video about the six letters of throat. Please see that video in my channel. So ba to fatha, ban, ba to kasra, bin, ba to zamma, bun, ban, bin, bun. And if one letter from the throat letters will come, so then we will read ban, bin, bun. Okay. So wow to fatha, one, wow to kasra, win, wow to zamma, won, one, win, won. So remember, the sound of the two fatha, two kasra, and two zumma. Two fatha sound an, two zumma sound in, and two zumma sound un, and two kasra sound in. Two fatha sound an, two kasra sound in, and two zumma sound un. So if the letter of fa, so fa, two fatha f a n, one. Do not read the alif after if the alif come after the two fatha, and do not read the ya if the ya come after two fatha. So fa to fatha fun, fa to kasra fin, fa to dhamma fun, fun, fin, fun, zal to fatha zan. So do not read the ya. Zal to fatha zan, zal to kasra zin, zal to dhamma zun, zan, zin, zun. Dua to fatha dwan, dua to kasra win, dua to dhamma zun, one, win, one. Za to fatha zan, za to kasra zin, za to dhamma zun, zan, zin, zun. Sun, sin, sun. Twan, twin, twin, dwan, win, dun, qan, qin, qun, khan, khin, khun, gon, ghin, gon, han, hin, hun, han, hin, hun, an, ain, un. So you practice these letters with spelling, okay? Which I read without spelling. So you practice and read with the spell, okay? Inshallah, we will read the more rules in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.